Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can declare foreign key or how we can make foreign key in Laravel project. So here you can see I have a table over here called books, and I am going to create a foreign key for category ID. So for it I am going to say over here $table, then this arrow sign, and we are going to say here foreign ID, I will be capital ID to first bracket to single quotation, and here we need to mention the table name from which table you want to create the foreign key. So that table name will be category for my case, and after that we need to give underscore and we need to say over here underscore ID. So it means first of all we are saying that category, and this category is basically the table name, and in order to create foreign key ID you need to give underscore ID, and in order for this to work, we need to say over here constraint to first bracket. So this constraint function will let it happen. And for some reason, if foreign key is not working, you can just mention the category table name over here. But that is not required. You just need to mention over here constraint, and that's all. And after it, we need to say over here on delete to first bracket to single quotation, we say here cascade. Now what is this on delete cascade? It means if someone delete the specific category, then what will happen is that it will delete every other data related to that category. So that's why I write over here on delete cascade. If you do not on, you cannot give it on delete cascade, but I think you should use on delete cascade, because if someone delete a category and the other data for that certain book is still remain on the website, it may cause some issue for your website. So you should use on delete cascade, and this is all you need to create a foreign key in Laravel. So I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Make sure to subscribe, and if you know any other way to create foreign key, you can comment that as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.